Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my PetitVour August 2021 unboxing. So this is what we're going to get into today, but before we get into that, I am wearing a couple of products that are recently new, so I wanted to share them with you guys. So the first is the Fruit Pigmented Pretty Naked palette from 100% Pure. And why is it escaping my mind what box this came in? Because it literally just came this month. Losing my mind. This was in the Love Goodly box. So here is what it looks like to remind you guys. You have a blush and a highlighter and 3 eyeshadows. So I used every one of those products on my face today. I'm wearing the blush, I'm wearing the highlighter. All 3 of the eyeshadows are on my eyes today, and I actually also used this lightest color to fill in my brows, which it did a magnificent job with. So if I ever travel, this is a great palette to take along, because not only can I do my cheeks and my eyes, I can also do my brows, which I love. And then patted in the corner to the center of the eye, I also used the Medusa's Makeup Glitter in a Meteor, which I have to say, if you are someone, maybe you're older, maybe you're just not into glitter, this is probably a good one, because it is such a neutral color and it's so finely milled that it ends up just kind of looking like shimmer on the eye. And I think it looks really pretty. I'm quite a fan. These are both 2 products that I am really happy to have. So if you are looking for a really good palette to travel with, I definitely recommend this one. And if you're looking for an accessible glitter, this is definitely the one in the color Meteor, because it looks just neutral on the eye. Now to get into our PetitVour box for this month. Let's open it up. Here is the card this month, a blue and blush design with little squiggles. And it looks like we have 4 products this month, which is standard for PetitVour. So I'm just gonna grab one and start from there. So the first product is from Angelo Naturals. I recognize the packaging. Their packaging has this signature like set of boxes, and I mean, I don't have any feelings on it, good or bad, but it does make it easy to recognize it in a crowd of products, so there's that. This is the Sunflower and Citrus Styling Gel for medium hold. Brilliant Shine. So I'm guessing this is a hair product, which is kind of cool since we don't tend to get a ton of hair products in boxes. So I kind of like when we do, because I do use them up, or at least I try to. So let's see. This is a $2 value, 1.7 ounces. Fruit Stem Cell Complex and Citrus Enhanced Brightness as sunflower oil, rich in vitamin E, nourishes and conditions to support flexibility and strength while minimizing the look of split ends and frizz. So that actually sounds like something I would use. So I'm really excited about this product. Next we have from Earthwise Beauty, Nap in the Meadow Face Serum. It says it's hydrating, refreshing face serum. So here is the product, just a plain white box with some gold as the gold accenting the brand name, and then black everywhere else. So let's open this up, and I have a feeling I'll need to be looking through these ingredients. So then here is what the product looks like, an opaque glass container and writing again. Let's read about this. This is a $60 value for 30 milliliters, so this is a significant value compared to the price of the box. Ultra lightweight and antioxidant rich serum with strong anti-inflammatory action, sun damage repair, and tissue support. So, you know me, it's all about the ingredients for me. Let's take a look at what's in it. So about a third or a fourth of the way down is lavender oil, which I don't put on my face. Then we have chamomile oil, which I don't put on my face. Geranium bourbon oil. Don't want to put that on my face. Geranium oil, rose oil. So a lot of fragrant oils in this. I won't be using this on my face. I might keep it and use it on my body. We'll see. Stuff like this is kind of annoying. Like, I feel like this is not worth $60 looking at the ingredient list. So that kind of feels like it's artificially inflated just for no reason. Brands can make up whatever price they want to sell these things at. So I definitely don't recommend it based on price alone for what you get in the ingredient list. But also, why are all these fragrant ingredients in facial skincare? That's annoying. So, it is $60. So I might keep it and just throw it in with my lotions and put it on my body. We'll see. But not jazzed about that. Next item is from Elate Cosmetics. And I think I have another product from this company. Yes, I do. I have a lip color from this company. And I did like that product. This is their, where's the name? Hearth Eyeliner. I think it's in a brown color because the end is like a dark brown. So let's read about that. Eyeline pencil, $18 for 1.1 grams. Smooth application and long wearing hold allow you to effortlessly apply onto your eyelids, brows, or wherever your creativity guides you. Made with low emissions and Cosmo certification ingredients for a positive impact on the planet. So I'll just go ahead and open it real quick. Give it a swatch. And it is a dark brown, really nice dark brown, really pretty. The point doesn't feel the softest, but then again, this is upon just opening it and swatching it. Maybe it gets softer with use after you go through that first initial tip. I don't know. I'll have to use it and see if it's something I want to hold on to. But overall, a eyeliner pencil, that's pretty cool. Especially now that boxes aren't throwing them in every month. There was a period in time, and now granted this was years and years ago, when I got Birchbox, not Birchbox. Was it Birchbox? I don't know, whatever, one of those little $10 boxes. And I got Ipsy, and it felt like every other month I was getting an eyeliner, which was kind of annoying. But now that they're a little more sparsely distributed, I definitely have a higher appreciation for getting eyeliners in boxes. And that's about the value of the box, $18. So this kind of covers the whole box, and everything else is a bonus. The last product we have here, if my pencil would stop trying to roll off my table, is from Frahua. It's a shower gel in the scent Rainforest Grown. So here's that product. If my camera wanted to focus, there we go. And this is a $5 value for 22 milliliters. Nurtures the skin and awakens the senses with a rich, gentle lather filled with calming lavender, uplifting eucalyptus, sweet vanilla, and woodsy Palo Santo. So, a shower gel I will definitely use 100%. So I'm happy about this. I'm excited about this hair product, and I am not too mad about this eyeliner either. What is disappointing is that this Earthwise Beauty product is the bulk of the box, and I don't care for the ingredients. So, meh. But the cheaper end ingredients, or cheaper end products, I'm down for. I am interested in all these. So, it's an alright box this month. Not the worst, but not the best. I definitely would love to know your opinions, so leave them down below. Let me know what you think. Did you get this month's box? Did you get all of these same 4 products? Definitely let me know down below. And I also want to encourage you guys, if you get PetitVour, go on and review the products every month for points. I just cashed in $100 worth of points to get a free pair of shoes. I don't know what the brand is called, like Via, I don't know. It's like V-E-J-A, I think. I don't know how it's actually pronounced, but it was a $100 pair of shoes, and I only paid for shipping. So I have to encourage you guys, go on and do the point system. It takes a couple of minutes, and you can get free stuff basically with your points for cash exchange. So I have to encourage that. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're interested. Comments down below. Check out my description box for links to all my various other things I've been posting every once in a while on Instagram, so check that out. I also have a ton of stuff listed on my Poshmark, so I encourage you to check that out as well. And I will talk to you all later. Bye!